everyone who could make it here today to this wonderful, fantastic flagship event of Nashik, that is AWS Community Day 2023. Yes? Yes? Yes, guys. So this is Samruddhi, your host for the day. And once again, AWS Community in Nashik welcomes you very warm-heartedly to this event. How many working professionals do we have here? Okay. How many students do we have over here? Okay, very good. So yes, guys, we are really delighted by your presence over here. That because IT वालों का weekdays में calendar block हो जाता है, but weekends पे नहीं हो पाता है, right? That is next to impossible. So we are very happy, we are very delighted that you dedicated your Sunday to this event. So thank you so much, and we will make sure that your Sunday turns out to be a remarkable one. Yes? वैसे presence से मुझे याद आया. How many of you over here have been working into IT since 1 or 2 years? More than 2 years? Okay. I would like someone to tell me what are your expectations from this event today. Anyone? Of course, यार तुम लोगों ने अपना Sunday dedicate किया है, कुछ तो expectation लेके आए होगे? Yes? Your name?
Hey, good morning, everyone. So I'm Fahad. So basically, I'm attending AWS Community Day since last year, and this is my second year. So as I can see that this is one of the best community day since it's the second one. And all the expectation I have is that even we have renowned speakers like Nasirullah and many of them. So I'm expecting that they deliver their best and let every student know that what's the AWS and the cloud. That's all I can say.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Fahad. Anyone else who would like to express their expectations from this event? Yes, Pratik? Sure.
Everyone, myself Pratik Jadhav. So I am been professional since this January. So I am not a 1 year accomplished employee, but professional. So my expectation is like I'm currently working in cloud. I know a little bit about AWS, other cloud services, but somewhere around I am getting stuck inside AWS, and I want to know little bit very insights of AWS. So this is my first AWS event here in Nashik. So I am expecting this thing from all speakers, that they will give me some key and what we can say tricks and tips into their session. So I am here for that. Thank you.
Okay, that was a very genuine one. Yes, there would be some people who are new to this community concept, who are new to cloud, because I saw that there are students as well. So students might be new to this concept. So, okay. Okay, would the students like to tell what are your key takeaways from this particular session, or what will your expectation be? That what should be your key takeaways? Yes, please.
I want to say something.
Sure, sure.
Hello. This is my second AWS Community Day. I attended the first AWS Community Day in Mumbai, 2015. I have around 7 years of experience. I'm in Wipro as a backend lead. So you guys are very fortunate that this team has organized something in Nashik for you. Okay? When I was student, I have to go to Bombay or Pune, Bangalore to attend such kind of events. Okay? And you should learn these things, get the insights from these events, how they are presenting you the cutting edge technology right now. Okay, you don't understand this importance right now, but if you get this knowledge, at least you are, I can say, ahead of some thousands of people who are with you right now studying in your college. And if you implement this technology as early as possible, then you will get the benefit out of it in your job or your career or your understanding about the IT and cloud. So Today my expectation is like something is happening in Nashik, I should be part of it. Thank you.
So your name?
My name is Parikshit Jadhav.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for your presence. Yes, guys. So any student who would like to express what are their expectations from this event? Yes, there are so many ample of students here, right? सबने हाथ ऊपर किया था. Come on, you have dedicated your Sunday to this event. कुछ तो सोच के आए हो कि it is okay. Layman answers are very much welcomed over here. ऐसा कोई नहीं है कि anyone will laugh or anything. Come on, yeah, please.
Yeah, my name is Vivek Pravin Jadhav from PVGCOE. As we do not know what is AWS program, basically we know to how AWS works and how we have to join this program's community and just, okay.
Okay, so you want to get started with this journey?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Thank you.
Welcome.
Like to know the ratio of people who are new to this concept of community. For how many people is this the first event? Okay, so this is their first community event. Okay. Anyone who is new to cloud itself? Who are yet to start with their cloud journey, who doesn't know anything about cloud? Okay. Okay, there are ample people. So yes, guys, community, generally we say that community is by the volunteers, for the volunteers and of the volunteers. तो ऐसे बोलते हैं. So all of the volunteers who are standing here, it is not necessary that everyone has to have ample experience, everyone has to have ample knowledge in some domain. It is like you, even if you have a bit of experience, if you have a bit of knowledge which is thorough, those folks come, they all come together, they all put in some effort to share their knowledge with everyone. So in community, there is no like hierarchy that there is a manager and then there are some employees under the community, nothing. Community is an open platform and our community is AWS community. So we generally discuss about the cloud technologies. So this is a general brief, and to brief you guys in detail, let us know it from the organizer of AWS UG Nashik. I would request Abhishek. Abhi, please come over. So Abhishek, he is the organizer of AWS UG Nashik. And he will brief us now, because I saw many of you are new. So he would like to brief you guys about what exactly is community, how Nashik community runs, and what is this cloud domain. So these basic things we will start with our show.
Thanks, Samruddhi. So, hi, welcome everyone. This is Abhishek. I am a platform engineer by profession. I work at Quantify Analytics Solutions, Mumbai. And I've been in this space for around 4 years now. Usually, I started my career through communities, like going to events like this in the major cities like Pune, Mumbai, Bangalore. And I got to know a lot of people, professionals, from whom I learned a lot of things, like professionally as well and for the community as well. At the moment, our team is totally focusing on getting and nurturing the culture here in Nashik for communities. And I am very grateful that you guys are, most of you, as Samruddhi mentioned, most of you are having or attending their first events. So I'll just brief some things about AWS community and the programs AWS has for students and professionals, how you can enroll in that and all those stuff. Before getting started, how many of you have attended last year's event by any chance? Last year's community day, which was at Vinjit? Okay, nice. So we have a lot of newcomers. Okay. So today we gather as a community of passionate individuals who share a common interest in Amazon Web Services, cloud computing and all things tech. And this event is the testament for incredible growth potential of AWS, and we shall have fantastic day ahead, since we have planned agenda we have curated agenda properly for you guys to suit every level, like level 100, which is beginner level, intermediate level, or for advanced level folks as well, there are some workshops. You must have seen the agenda as well. We have a dynamic agenda featuring insightful speakers, some hands-on sessions, as Fahad mentioned. Fahad, right? So as Fahad mentioned, Nasi, who is a YouTuber, he is recognized as Cloud Champ, and he is taking a lot of sessions on DevOps, how to get started on DevOps. He has a lot of YouTube content on his channel as well, explaining how you can prepare real-world projects. He's really famous for that. You shall see in sometime as the day progresses. So whether you are an AWS expert, a newcomer, or someone who is just curious about the cloud, and so there's something for everyone here. It's not like you are going to be isolated totally. So our event theme this year was sustainability and unleashing the power of AWS, and we will explore the latest innovations. Like if you guys know what is AWS reInvent. So in reInvent there are a lot of new technologies coming up, and since last year we are more focusing over generative AI, Web3 and all that stuff. So we have sessions curated for that lineup as well. And of course, as Samruddhi already mentioned, this event wouldn't have been possible without the major support and tireless efforts from our volunteers. And I would like to specially thank our sponsor for today, ResumeX, and their team is sitting behind, and you guys must have visited their booth and will visit if not yet. And without them, we could not arrange such a nice event and upgrade from an last year's event. So and I'll encourage you all to make the most out of today and engage with speakers. You can engage with volunteers. They also are working professionals, more than 3 years of experience they have. You can learn from them, like any topic, be it cloud, be it network technology, how you can make your personal brand. We have a special session dedicated to the community, how you can raise your brand and profile in the community, by Sagar Utekar later in the day after lunch. So that would be a very awesome session. You should attend and properly listen to that. And just some housekeeping notes, that if you have any questions, even in the sessions to speakers, you can directly raise your hands and we will provide you with the mics, and we can make it very interactive, and I hope the same, that you guys would love it to be interactive. Now, before we officially begin again, I would request everyone to, stick to code of conduct, like do not hurt anybody's sentiments, no such kind of remarks, and also please remember to silence your phones if at all they are in ringer mode, so that you don't disturb your folks who are sitting close to you. And once again, now without further ado, we will start with our further talks. I'll hand over this to Samruddhi for further proceedings. And once again, welcome to the AWS Community Day 2023. Let's embark on this journey, and we will, if you have any doubts for me as well, if you want to network outside the sessions, you can anyways reach out to me. I'll be here around for some time. So yeah, enjoy the event, and thank you for being here.
So I hope now you guys are a bit familiar with these concepts or what is going to happen throughout the day. Still, I'll just run through the agenda once, not like a proper agenda, but I'll just take you through the day, how it is going to look like. So today we are going to have around 8 enlightening sessions, including a panel discussion. So 8 sessions will be a mix of tech as well as non-tech sessions, because I know many of you are students, so this shouldn't look like another day at college. So we have a mix of tech as well as non-tech sessions, which will help you groom yourself into technology as well as soft skills. So how to improve your presence, how to showcase yourself, and also of course AWS technology concepts as well. So there are going to be these amazing sessions. After that, we have a panel discussion which has been specially organized for you guys. Now in this panel discussion, you guys are open to ask questions, for which we will be displaying a QR on the screen. You have to scan that QR and upload whatever questions you have, because these panel discussions will be headed by the industry leads, by the industry professionals. So whatever questions you have, how to start your career with cloud, how to, where to start it, what are the resources, any questions, any and every questions which you have with this session, or whatever expectations you have from this event, those questions you can scan the QR. I'm so sorry. Yeah. You can scan the QR and you can upload your questions, and these questions will be taken for the panel discussion further. Okay, I'll give you a minute to scan the QR. That time was enough for you guys. Again, after 2 sessions, we'll again be displaying this QR. Whenever you feel like you have any questions, you can tell me. I'll display this QR. You can again scan. If throughout the sessions, if you have any questions, you can ask me to do that. So yeah, first of all, 8 sessions, 1 panel discussion. Now, we will also be having 2 quizzes throughout the day. And these quizzes will be rewarded very nicely. So these quizzes, first one will be a non-technical quiz, which will be consisting of all generic questions, general knowledge questions. So anyone and everyone can answer this quiz. And second quiz is going to be based on all the sessions which will be conducted today, right from the next session which is coming up. So all the talks, including all the 8 talks which are going to be conducted, those talks will be included some or the other where in the quiz. So you don't have to worry about what questions, are they going to be technical, are they going to be out of syllabus, नहीं. जो भी आज के दिन में होगा, pay attention to each and every session. किसी भी slide में से कुछ भी context में questions आ सकते हैं. So technical quiz will be based on all the talks that will be conducted today, and then we are going to have a non-technical quiz which will be based on generic questions. And at the end of the session, we will be announcing the winners and we will be felicitating them with prizes. So that is about quiz. Yeah, one more thing, we are having something called as a digital footprint contest. So whatever images, whatever pictures, videos, whatever things you have clicked so far, or you will be clicking into the breaks or lunchtime, tea time, whatever, upload them over Twitter or upload them over LinkedIn with the given hashtags, that is AWS UG Nashik and ACD Nashik 2023, which is mentioned on the board over there, on the Community Day board. So use these hashtags, create your digital footprint, and by the end of the day, once all the sessions are done, we will be evaluating the digital footprints, and those whose posts are having the maximum engagement, those folks will be rewarded. So that is another competition. So make sure that you guys are clicking pictures with the speakers, with the sponsors, with the volunteers, wherever you require. So yeah, that is about it. Then one more announcement we have, that is regarding the IDs that you guys have been given. So these are general paper IDs. काफ़ी लोगों ने सोचा होगा ये क्या दे दिया ही क्यों है. So these are plantables, guys. So once after the session you guys go home, you can plant these IDs, and there are seeds into these IDs. All of your IDs, they are plantables. This is another thought by our organizer, that instead of keeping or throwing away the IDs after the session, you can plant these IDs and have a memory of this event or this session today conducted. So yes, how to plant it? You can simply just put it into soil and automatically it will do its work. You don't have to do much stuff. So put it under a layer of soil, water it, and you will have your own plants. So yes, that is it. Okay, is there anyone who has traveled from outside of Nashik to this event? Acha, you have traveled outside of Nashik. Your name? Would you like to please come on the stage? You also. Okay guys, so we are having outside of people who have traveled specially for this event. Your name?
Himanshu.
Okay, and you have traveled from?
Nagpur.
Nagpur. So what made you travel from Nagpur to Nashik?
Attend this event.
Just to attend this event?
Yes.
So guys, hype dekh rahe ho Nashik ki? Okay, so do you have any key takeaways which are your expectation from this event?
Little bit of knowledge and fun.
Little bit of knowledge and fun. अरे यार ये सही है ना little bit of knowledge. So whatever you have today, even if he takes away a bit more of knowledge, it is his win. It is his success today, right?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much, Himanshu. Thank you so much. Your name?
Hey, hi. I'm Shirish.
Shirish.
From Mumbai University, and I traveled from Mumbai by the last night.
So you have came here last night itself.
Yes. And my motto of the joining this event is to learn newest technology, how to get the community built, and how to stick with the people who grow and gain the knowledge with communities, how to learn how to excel our knowledge with this technology. This was my basically motto. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Shirish. So yes, guys, that is the beauty of community. That okay, today Shirish will learn something. Today, these guys will learn. He'll go to Nagpur. Maybe in Nagpur he'll start a community. Maybe there we can start. So somewhere we start. Like we guys, we all started this in college itself. We all went to Pune. We all went to Mumbai. We learned from there. Then we brought it to Nashik. So same things. These basic things are carried away. These things are carried from one place to another. So I'm so happy to see people who have traveled from outside of Nashik. So guys, thank you so much. Guys, please give them a round of applause. Okay. अच्छा ये लोग न्यू है नासिक में. So guys, what is Nashik known for? Grapes, wine, anything else? Misal. Okay, misal. What else? Peaceful climate, yes. What else? कितनी सारी चीजें हैं यार नासिक में. Come on. मिसळ. कौन सी मिसळ? Now I can start a debate with this question. कौन सी मिसळ? श्याम सुंदर, साधना, ग्रेप एम्बेसी. What else? Yes, Nashik also has a pilgrim importance, be it the Panchvati area, be it the Godavari river, be it Trambakeshwar, be it the Kumbh Mela, which is conducted after every 12 years. Yes, so Nashik has two extreme points. One is Sula and one is Kumbh Mela, right? So we cater to both. We have the vineyards as well as we have the pilgrim importance. Okay, that is good. Enough motivation for the day.